Welcome back to the channel, good friends. I'm back and better than ever. Well, I'm back anyway. So as you can see, obviously the cast is off. There will be one or two videos coming up that I'm still in the cast, footage that I could get being limited. So the cast is off here in this opening video, however. Limited range and motion, no strength whatsoever. So as an example, with the right hand, 120 inch-pounds or whatever they measure with grip, and only 22 over here. So a long way to go. I did start physical therapy, and I got to tell you, my heart goes out to anybody in occupational or physical therapy in that routine right now. Excruciatingly painful, can bring a bit of a tear to the eye with some of the pain that you could go through, but it's well worth it. It gets better and better every time you go through the process. So my heart goes out to anybody that's going through that as well. You may have noticed the name change on the channel as well, just shifting gears. The format of the channel will remain the same when it comes to testing, detailing products and tools, and showing how to correct paint, remove scratches, oxidation, anything you can think of when it comes to the surface of a vehicle inside and out. I just have more time now. I don't know, I guess you could call it semi-retired, where I can spend more time doing things, simple things that I enjoy, guys. It doesn't take a lot to make me happy. Just going to auto auctions and the thrill of going through bids and winning bids and finding new toys to play with. I love cars. I love cars and trucks of any type, any year, any make, any model. I like to experience them all, from the daily driver to the supercar to the sports car, as you've probably seen throughout the years of watching the channel. So it's the channel will center more around the auction vehicles that we pick up. I'll take you through the process. I think you'll find it interesting and fun, and maybe educational as well. And we'll go through the process of searching for cars through private sales auctions, different types of auctions, and any way we can find them, and reconning them and flipping them, turning them over, or maybe even keeping them. And we'll see if we break even. We'll see if we make any sorts of profit, and I will share if we lose money on it. It'll be a fun process to go through, and I'll share it with you throughout the videos that I release. I'm roaring and ready to go. I do look forward to talking about some of the newer tools and products that are out or coming out. I'm way behind on them, by the way, guys, so I'm going to catch up. Bear with me. There's probably tons of videos on a lot of these things already, but I do want to take some time and share my thoughts on them as well, such as just a small example of some of the things I want to talk about in upcoming videos. These Viper steel stools or work stools, absolutely fantastic. They are heavy duty, and I can't wait to show them and showcase them for you. Also, these Whisper Quiet DeWalt vacs, for those that have used them, I want to share my experience with this one here and this particular size. I also would really like to share my experiences with the clean ceramic coatings here. I think I have some of the other products coming in from the line and from Thor, but we'll see when they arrive. And some of these that have been out that I haven't had time or didn't get the chance before the incident to share my experience on some of the DIY details and C6 coatings and products. Detailing World, a local shop that you can stop in. They are growing rapidly. You can pick up detailing products in your area, and I'll show some of those products and show you how to use an acid wheel cleaner safely. I also look forward to correcting the paint on some of these vehicles that we find and pick up with some of the compounds and one-steps and polishes that I haven't had on the channel, including the HD Cut by Nanoskin and so much more. Different types of products for interiors, cleaning products, protectants, coatings, such as the Vonnex coatings and plastic restoration, conditioning, and protectants for interiors. We'll cover them all. And obviously, we will be covering the blue-collar products, including the new BC10 and 11. I'm not sure if they both will be available by the time the video hits, but I know one of them will be. and just be patient. The others will come. We'll have some in-depth reviews and videos on them to show what they do and how to use them. So I'm eager to get the channel going again. The most favorable part of doing this is the connection I have with you guys making these videos. And after 1,600 videos, growing the channel to 250,000, the only thing really important to me is the connection that you and I have when it comes to conversations down in the comment section, emails, phone calls, short messages, and there's nothing that beats that to me. You guys are fantastic. I enjoy meeting those that come to our training sessions here. Those will continue. Meeting you guys in person is even more awesome, is the best way to describe it. And I look forward to much more of that. So let's get this channel rolling once again, and we'll catch you in the next video.